I wanted to welcome you to the course and immediately share my personal secret. I hate video courses. I hate them so much, I created my own video course. Why do I have a problem with video courses? Well, I can explain. As a learner, I want three things. I want speed, control, and structure. And I'm not getting any of these things in a video course. After all, I'm a speed reading coach. And what I do for a living is teach people how to skim through the trivia and get to the important part. And you can't do this in a video course. If you try to scroll through, you may miss an important point. So ultimately, you are at the mercy of an instructor, and you can only learn as fast as he or she speaks. Another confession to make. I hate audiobooks too, for a slightly different reason. Most of the audiobooks are performed by a single voice, and it's very distracting to me. It's very overwhelming and frustrating because I cannot make a structure out of the material. So I end up being frustrated and overwhelmed because I'm bombarded with an endless stream of words that are coming from the same voice. So I created a different kind of a video course. My video course is done by two voices, by my client and I. And the reason I did this is because it's easier to listen to a conversation than a lecture. And also, I wanted to bring the experience that my private clients have with me in the office closer to you. The second differentiating factor of this video course is that each lecture is divided up into three parts. In the first part, I introduce the concept to my client. In the second part, him and I apply the concepts into something that he is dealing with in real life. And in the third part, I have my client, Michael, repeat the concepts back to me in his own words. So I'd like you to think of the third part as a little summary. Also, each section stands on its own. So you don't have to follow step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, even though that would be the most logical part. But believe me, if you wanted to jump into review right now, you can stop me and go into review because each section stands on its own. So I want you to navigate as you wish. And I'm really excited to have you on board.